Hello everyone, this is Raina with WTI and I want to share my experience with this small car wallet that I recently picked up. I was on the lookout for something compact, practical. I tend to carry just the essential, a few cards, ID, and some cash. I wanted a wallet that didn't add unnecessary bulk to my pocket, but it still had enough space for my daily needs. What really caught my eyes about this wallet, it is minimalist design and functionality. It's surprising how much it can hold without becoming a chaotic mess. The card slots are designed in a way that make it easy to access exactly what I need without fumbling around. In the process of grabbing my essentials and heading out the door, I've noticed a significant reduction in pocket clutter. It fit perfectly in my crossbody bag, just like that. So good. And the durability has also impressed me. It's been subjected to daily use, being shoved into pocket and taken in and out numerous times. And look, doesn't look bulky. Nice. If you are in the market for a small card wallet that combines functionality with a sleek design, I highly recommend giving this one a shot. It might not be the flashiest wallet out there, but for me, it's the perfect balance of form and function. But that is just my point of view.